when he came, I was so excited.
Came to the MK party.
Body, I was excited. I was like, at least for a change, we are going to get a person who will deal with administration, and then us understand, and then us seize, and then us encourage and teach us politics. You know,
Yeah.
He came to Witbank for a meeting, first meeting.
Sure.
And apparently they were coming to remove me on that in October. He came, he walked in a room, and then we were eating. And then we said, "Oh, hi, how are you?" We stood up. And then he said, "Hi, everyone. Thank you very much for being here. Let's go."
Go where now?
To the hall, inside the hall. We're in a briefing room.
Sure.
Says, "Let's go to the hall." I'm like, we've organized this meeting. We are the leaders. Even if he's here to, the gossips are saying he's here to remove us.
Was that the first encounter you ever had with him?
Sanbonani, you know, something like that. We've worked for this organization. Yabona, ngabona umuntu one pride. He walked in there, washang attitude. I'm a woman. I'm the leader. Ngafila ukuthi lo muntu lakana ne decency ukuthi angishake isandla okay akafuni ukungishake isandla ngimazi but ahlale phansi athi noma community siyabonga ukuthi organize le meeting. We are not. Guess what? When he walked out, Comrade Dan Hlapo stood up and they looked at each other like this. And Dan says, "Not here in this province. You are not going to do this attitude in this province." I'm looking at him and said, "Aibo." I kept on saying, "Aibo." I felt Guti, this is not how Zuma will do things, even if Zuma was coming to remove me. Ubezongibingelela naqedati hayi ntokazi isikhathi sesihambile asingene ngale kodwa ke uma siphuma ngizobe sengiyakutshela or something like that. Sure. What? No, I'm here for the constitution. I'm not here for anything. Bingelela abantu ke, even if you're here for the constitution.